Fun fact, did you know maroon was part of the University of Texas school colors? Because it was difficult to wash out stains from white fabric, maroon became part of their scheme until the student body voted on orange and white. At that same time, Texas A&M was employing red. What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Be sure to check out my Instagram at Chris Catalunya with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, this video wouldn't be possible without the efforts from Kicking It ATX. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for the latest from Nike, Adidas, Saucony, the Hundreds, or you just want to talk up your shoe game in the full-service bar lounge in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingitatx.com. Alright, you already know what it is, the Air Jordan 1 in the Bordeaux colorway. Bordeaux, burgundy, maroon. To my eyes, they're pretty much the same thing. Ask an Aggie, and it's probably fighting words. Apparently, Bordeaux has more purple hues to it, burgundy has more red, and maroon has more brown. Regardless, these Bordeaux ones look pretty dope and would complement any Texas A&M, Mississippi State, or Texas Southern game day fit. Upon purchase, we have the standard black box with red Nike branding and the size label up front. Removing the lid, the shoes are nestled under white tissue paper. First impressions, they remind me of both the midnight navy and the neutral gray CO.JP Jordan 1s. Like those, these employ great quality textiles, the same clear rubber wings emblem is present, and of course, the silhouette. Though it doesn't have that embroidered Nike Air logo on the tongue like the CO.JP's. Rather, and thankfully, the woven label is affixed. Set to release on Saturday, November 20th, they retail at the price point of $170 USD. Add your tax and your VAT just based on where you reside. They too are releasing in big kid sizes for $130. Now, I won't say that these will be an easy cop. However, most sneaker boutiques with Jordan brand accounts such as Kicking It ATX should get them in stock. Even your mall retailers should be receiving stock and are probably loading them on their respective apps. Of course, sneakers will be dropping them, but you already know how that goes. Resale right before the release, looking at StockX, GOAT, SneakerCon, these are going between $220 and $280 in adult sizes. The Bordeaux one is a classy sneaker like a Bordeaux wine. This is definitely not of the boxed wine variant, no. The uppers are constructed of a great quality leather. Panels done up in white, the quarter panels, the collar, the heel, the vamp with the perforated holes employ a plush feeling leather to which you can actually see the grains. In the Bordeaux color, we have the toe box or the mud guard, the eye stay strip that goes along, the heel counter, and the ankle strap, and this is done up in a nice fashion. As previously stated, the ankle strap attains a jeweled wings logo, giving a slight elegance to the shoe. Again, that Bordeaux wine feeling. This matches the silver Nike swoosh that is on the quarter panel that runs from the lateral to the medial side of the shoe. Jordan brand did the favor of setting the default laces to Bordeaux and packaged white laces in a plastic baggie. Sure, I had to lace them up myself, but I love one less hassle. Both are of a cotton build and a flat shape. Behind the laces is a padded white mesh tongue. Crowned at the top is this Bordeaux woven label with white Nike Air hits. And to be honest, this truly looks 100 times better than the embroidered look that were on the CO.JP Jordan 1s. The tongue is edged with Bordeaux hits where the backside actually attains a looser gauge white mesh, and I would have preferred this to match with the Bordeaux sock liner that we have here, as it wouldn't get dirty as easily. The insides are padded well around, mind you, providing comfort and support. Now, I hate the insoles. Hate. Thankfully, they are removable. We have white fabric with Nike Air placed at the heel, and these will definitely get dirty easily. This fabric is placed on a thin piece of blue foam that doesn't attain much in terms of cushioning or support. Though, you can always rock a Heffalux Boost-like insole, a grocery store insole, or a prescribed orthotic to fit your needs. The midsole is a clean white. Unseen is an air unit at the heel to enable protection upon impact. Both the midsole and the outsole are of a blown rubber component to enable durability, flexibility, and structure to the shoe. Bordeaux bottoms finish off the shoe with your typical Jordan 1 traction pattern taking place with your circles at the top, your Nike branding smack dab in the middle, and your grid at the heel. If this is your first Jordan 1, definitely get sized up at your local boutique or the mall. Try on a sitting Jordan 1, probably a mid, then pull the trigger on these, to which I recommend true to size. In terms of comfortability, Jordan 1s are pretty flat. They don't offer too much in support or cushioning. However, once again, you can always switch out those insoles. To those that can rock these for an 8 hours straight, good on you. Overall, the Bordeaux Jordan 1 is a classy, elegant sneaker. The colorway, the jeweled wings, and the materials employed on the shoe make that $170 price point justified. And to be honest, I may have to cop a second pair. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. Are you a fan of the Bordeaux ones? Is it too purple? Is it not red enough? Should they have employed black color blocking? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram at ChrisCatalunya with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for kicking it with me. I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers! Sige na.